Hello guys, my name is Kia Billingsley. I'm back again with another video. Today I wanted to talk about the Asus Zenfone 5. I call this the better iPhone X. The reason why I call it the better iPhone X is because I'm about to show you. To me, this is how the iPhone X should have looked like. This is how it should have looked to me. That's a real nice device right there. That's why I'm calling it the better iPhone X. And then on top of all of that is Android. So you're going to be able to customize this, throw a launcher on it, do what you want to do with it. The back looks like the iPhone X, but it has the fingerprint sensor on the back. You got that notch at the top. Get the bottom real clean. And I really don't care for that notch look. But this phone look real nice. So I can, skip it because it look real nice. I'm gonna have to look past the notch, because this is a nice device. And this is how it look from the side. And if I get this device, I'm gonna get that black one right there because I like the black phones. So let me read you some of the specs of the device. This device has a 6.2-inch screen. Now that's a big screen. Well, that's a big screen. It's big, but us Android fans, we used to big screens. People with iPhone, they not. But that's a big, nice 6.2-inch display. That's bigger than the iPhone X display. That's why I'm calling the Zenfone 5 the better iPhone X. Because to me, this is a better version of the iPhone X, but for Android users. And that's why I'm hyped about getting this phone, whenever it drops. Probably not exactly when it drops, but later on, some months down when it come out. It has a 12 megapixel camera, 6 gigs of RAM, 33,000 milliamp battery, lithium battery. If I'm saying that right, 33,000. No, yeah, I think I'm saying that right. If I'm not, leave me something in the comment section below. I don't know. I'm just hyped about reading the specs that I'm getting thrown off. The device was launched and it was announced February 2018. It says it's coming soon. It's expected to release 2018 or April, sometime in April. Don't know exactly when, what date, sometime in April. The weight of the weight of the device is 155 grams. The build is a front glass aluminum battery. It takes it's a dual SIM, nano SIMs, dual standby. It's an IPS LCD instead of a AMOLED. Hold on, guys. I'm reading some more things about it. It will be coming with Android Oreo. It got the Qualcomm SDM 636 Snapdragon. It's an octa-core 260. The card slot. Now this is dope. This has a micro SD card slot up to 400 gigabytes of storage. That's so dope to me. And then it comes with an additional 64 gigabytes of storage. That ain't bad at all. That's what Apple missing out on. Apple don't have no SD card slot. So they can't just put an SD card in there and make that, bump up their storage. And then to bump it up to 400 gigs, that's real tight because a lot of these devices can it can use a SIM card slot, SD card slot, but it only go up to about 128 gigs. This is going up to 400 gigs. That's even more. That space, that's cool right there. The space is awesome right there. I'm hyped about this device. I really am. Like, seeing all the pictures on YouTube, on Instagram, everywhere. I'm ready for this device. It got the dual camera on the back, 12 megapixel camera, a 8 megapixel camera also. It got the LED dual tone flash. It's got the gold tagging, the touch force, face detection, HDR panorama. The secondary camera is an 8 megapixel. It's got Bluetooth 5.0. It's NFC. It will take a USB type 2.0. Some of the features of this device is it has a fingerprint sensor on the back. That's about it for that feature. It says it has fast battery charging, MP3, MP4. Has a photo editor, some non-removable Li-ion battery, and it comes in midnight blue and metro silver. So I was wrong. That's not black. They don't have it in black. So you can only get it in that blue and in that silver. That's still not bad. That's still not bad. So yes, to me, the Asus Zenfone 5, it's a better iPhone X. Like, that's just what it's gonna be for me. I don't even have it in my hand, but from reading the specs and everything from that screen, it's a better iPhone X. That's what iPhone X should have did with their device. Should have made it bigger in the first place. I don't understand you gonna make a phone with a bigger screen, but have it in the footprint of the device be small. That doesn't make sense to me. If you're gonna make a cell phone to have a big screen, you might as well put a big body around the device also. So Apple, y'all need to fix that. Y'all need to fix that. But yeah, so I'm ready for this device. I'm gonna give y'all a look at it again. That look real nice to me. That look real nice. Not that color. I don't like that color, but that device looks real nice to me. All that screen, 6.2 inch. That's big, guys. The Galaxy Note 8 has a 6.3 inch. That's one inch down from the Galaxy Note 8. And the Galaxy Note 8 is big. And this is big also. They have a picture of this device up side by side with an iPhone, with the iPhone X, if I can find it. And I'm gonna let you see how much, taller it is than from the iPhone X, because it is taller. So all of you iPhone X users, I feel bad for y'all. I feel bad, because it looked like Asus beat y'all. Y'all supposed to be getting a iPhone X Plus or whatever this year. I feel bad for y'all. Android is doing it. Asus beat y'all to it. Beat y'all to the punch. They made a device that looks just like your device, but it looks even better than your device, and it's bigger than your device. And that's crazy. And that's why I like Android, because Android does stuff quick and fast. They popping these phones out like that. Boom, So here go a picture of the Asus Zenfone 5 and the iPhone X. Look at that. Look how much taller. Look how much taller the Asus phone is from an iPhone X. That's crazy. And almost the same design. Almost the same design. Not quite the same design, but almost the same design. Like, that phone, I'm going to say it. That phone dope to me. I don't even have it in my hand yet, but that phone dope to me. And if it come out looking just like this, if they don't, want to change something before we get it, because, you know, they can come out with cell phones, you know. If this is the official look for this device, whoever got this device, they're going to be doing big things. Like, if this is what it's really going to look like, if nothing changed before it hit the stores and hit the market, that's going to be one nice device. And I'm going to try my best to get my hands on the Asus Zenfone 5. Unless they watching this video and want to send me one. I doubt it, because I'm not that big of a channel. But hey, if y'all watching this video, Asus, holla at your girl, because I like that device. And I've never ever had an Asus cell phone, but I'm willing to give them a try, because that device is on point. Because I ain't even worried about the notch, you know. I think with the iPhone X was like, I don't want it because of that notch. But they made that notch fit into that phone the way it's supposed to be in that phone. The iPhone X notch is just too long and narrow for me. This notch on a Zenfone 5, it looked like it's supposed to be there. No problems. So I'm ready for that phone to come out, y'all. Let me know in the comment section below if you interested in getting that device like I am. Because they got my full attention right now. They got my full attention. I know you got the S9 about to come out and the S9 Plus. But that ain't nothing to me, because I'm a Note kind of girl anyway. But that Asus Zenfone 5 though, I want that. So hey, Asus, keep doing what you're doing. And guys, rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Tell your grandpa, your uncle, your granny, tell whoever that like technology to check my channel out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.